Good morning, dear students. Students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So, students, today we are going to learn a new topic, and today's our topic name is fruit shapes. Okay? So, बच्चों, आज हम लोग और एक नया टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे और आज हमारे टॉपिक का नाम है फ्रूट शेप. Okay? Okay. Now students, we will see which materials we will need for today's lecture. So first, the most important thing is your drawing book. You are going to take your drawing book and on your right hand side page we are going to start with the drawing. तो बच्चों, सबसे पहले आपका इम्पोर्टेंट है ड्राइंग बुक और ड्राइंग बुक के राइट हैंड साइड पेज पे आप ड्राइंग करना स्टार्ट करोगे. Okay, now we will see the materials. Eraser, pencil, scale. बच्चों, you all can take a small scale or bigger scale. Your colors and your sketch pens. So students, these are the materials which you will need for today's lecture. Okay? Yes, students. And students, what is most important thing before starting with any drawing? Yes, the most important thing before starting with any drawing is your margin. बच्चों, सबसे पहले क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है कोई भी ड्राइंग स्टार्ट करने से पहले? सबसे पहले हमें चारों साइड से मार्जिन ड्रॉ करनी होती है. ओके, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल एंड स्केल वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट मार्किंग द margin part. Okay, so students, we are done with margin from all the four sides. Now we are going to write today's topic name and the date. तो बच्चों, हम लोगों ने चारों साइड से मार्जिन ड्रॉ कर लिए. अभी हम लोग आज की डेट लिखेंगे और टॉपिक का नाम लिखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट टुडेज डेट ओवर हियर. And then we are going to write the topic name. So done? Yes. Now students, today I am going to teach you 6 fruits. Okay? So बच्चों, आज हम लोग 6 fruits ड्रॉ करना सीखेंगे. दैट इज बनाना, मैंगो, एप्पल, चीकू, grapes and watermelon. These are the 6 fruits which we are going to learn in our today's lecture. Okay? So first we are going to start with banana. और बच्चों, first you are going to do it lightly. If it's coming correct and proper, then only you will darken it. Okay? So first we are going to start with banana. First draw the stem of the banana, then start with the banana. See students, first I have created a banana very lightly. Now it's coming, so I'm going to darken it. Okay. So first we will also draw it lightly. और अगर वो करेक्ट आ रहा है, परफेक्ट आ रहा है, तो ही आप उसको डार्क करोगे. And students, you are going to draw the same fruits which I am showing you. You are not going to change the fruits. बच्चों आप वही फ्रूट्स ड्रॉ करोगे जो मैं आपको सिखा रही हूँ. आप दूसरे फ्रूट्स नहीं ड्रॉ करोगे. See students, a banana is done. You are going to do the same way. Okay. Now we will move to a second fruit. And second fruit we are going to draw is mango. Okay. So the same way. First we will start with the stem. Just draw a straight line, two straight line, and then a line from upwards like this. Yes. Okay. And then just darken it. Now students, from here we are going to we will start drawing the mango. First take it very lightly. Like this. And from behind also we are going to draw the shape. And one leaf for a mango, just like this. See students, our mango is also done. Now we will just darken a mango. Students, see how I am doing. If you will see the properly, then it's easy for you all also to make the design. Sorry, the fruits. So our two fruits are done. First is banana and second one is mango. Now we will make apple. Okay. The same way, first we will draw the stem. And then we will start with the apple. The same way from the other side also. And now we are going to darken it because our shape is coming perfect, na? So we will darken it. Okay. Yes. Now we will move to another drawing, and that is a chiku drawing. Okay. So first we will start with the stem. And also we are going to show a small leaf like this. And now we will make the chiku body. Okay, so we are done with the chiku also. Now we are going to make grapes. Okay. Students, just from both the sides you are going to make the C's. See how I have made the C's from all the sides. Yes, just we going to make such kinds of C's. Okay. Students, and the inside we are going to make circles. But the circles we will make after we will give color to our grapes. Okay. Because if we will do it before only and then we will color it, it will turn little black. बच्चों हम लोग इसके अंदर बाद में स्केच पेन से सर्कल्स दिखाएंगे कलर करने के बाद, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग पहले ही कर देंगे और कलर करेंगे तो वो थोड़ा सा ब्लैक कलर में चेंज हो जाएगा, इसलिए. So see, we are done with our 5 drawing. First is a banana, mango, apple, chiku and grapes. Now we are going to make our last fruit and that is watermelon. अभी बच्चों हम लोगों ने 5 फ्रूट देख लिए. फर्स्ट था हमारा बनाना, सेकेंड वॉज आ मैंगो, एप्पल, चिकू, ग्रेप्स और लास्ट में हम लोग वाटरमेलन देखेंगे. ओके, सो द सेम वे फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द स्टेम, द लीफ, and now we are going to make the body of a watermelon. And in between just make this kind of lines and then we are just going to show the lift effect just like this. See students, our 6 fruits are done. Now it's time to give them color. So in which shape is banana? Yes, banana have 2 colors. First is green and then yellow color. The green color is when the banana is raw. और पीला कलर कब आता है? जब वो पक जाता है. Yes or no? Yes. So first we will start with a banana and we are going to give yellow color to a banana. So with the help of yellow color, start giving color to a banana. Okay, so we are done with a banana. So students, now tell me which color does mango has? Yes, mango has yellow color, green color also, and sometimes it has yellow color also when it gets totally ripe. Now students, for mango we will give green color. Okay? You all can give light green color or else you all can give dark green color. I am using dark green color. If you all want, you all can give light green color or else you all can use yellow color also. So see students, our mango is also done. For leaf also we are going to do the same color. Okay, now we will move to a apple. Our apple color is red color. So with the help of red color, we will start giving color to our apple. Okay. So see students, our apple is also done. Now we will move to our chiku. And chiku color is in brown colors. For chiku we are going to give brown color. So see, our chiku is also done. Now we will color our grapes. And for grapes we are going to give purple color. Okay, so our grapes is also done. Now we will move to a watermelon. So for watermelon I am going to use light green color and in between I am going to use dark green color. So first with the help of light green color I am going to color it entirely. See students, like this first we are going to complete it with the help of green, dark green, light green color, and then with the help of dark green color we are just going to show the designs which we have made in between. If you all want, you all can do this with the help of sketch pen also. See, now with the help of green color we will show the leaves, and then with the help of brown color we will show the stems which we have made. Now students, with the help of purple color sketch pen, we are going to show our grapes. So students, our grape is done. Now with the help of sketch pens, we will just show the borders for our fruits. I am using the same color sketch pens, the colors which I have given to the fruits. If you all want, you all can use black color, or else you all can also use the same colors which we are giving to our fruits. And last we are going to complete it with our apple border. So see students, our 6 fruits are done. Now for your homework, you will also do the same way I have shown you, and you are going to send me your homework. Okay students, thank you. If you all want, with the help of yellow color sketch pen or black color sketch pen, you all can give border to a banana also. And if you don't want, you can just keep, because yellow color sketch pen is not visible on a banana. So if you want, you can use black color, or else you can use yellow color. Okay students, thank you.